In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the priority scheme in Jira. Whether you're a project manager, a team lead, or just someone looking to customize your Jira setup, understanding how to tailor your priority settings can significantly enhance your workflow. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to locate the Jira settings. To do this, head over to the top right corner where you'll see the familiar cog icon. Clicking on this will open up a menu of options. This is your central hub for managing various administrative aspects of Jira. Once there, find and select Issues from the available menu. This section is pivotal as it houses all the configurations related to issue types, workflows, and, of course, priorities. Now, when you're in the Issues section, look for the Priorities subsection. Under this, you'll find an option called Priority Schemes. Click on it. This takes you to a list of priority schemes that are currently defined within your Jira instance. Each scheme can be tailored to the specific needs of different projects, making it a flexible tool for project management. Next, you'll need to pinpoint the priority scheme that's currently assigned to the project you're focusing on. It's important to ensure you're editing the correct scheme to avoid any unwanted changes to other projects. Once you've identified the correct one, move over to the right side of the screen. You'll notice three dots. What's the familiar icon for additional options or settings. Go ahead and click on these dots and choose the Edit option from the drop-down menu. This is where the real customization begins. In the edit mode, you can now modify the priority levels according to your project requirements. Whether you want to adjust the default priority, reorganize the existing order of priorities, or even remove a priority that's no longer needed, you have the flexibility to do so. Perhaps your team has decided to emphasize certain priorities over others or needs a more streamlined set of options. Make these changes here, but remember to keep your team's needs and workflows in mind. Once you've made all the desired adjustments, it's time to save your changes. At the bottom of the page, you'll find the Save button. Clicking this will apply the modifications you've made to the priority scheme. It's always a good idea to double check your changes before saving, ensuring everything aligns with the project's needs. And there you have it, you've successfully modified the priority scheme in Jira. This process allows you to keep your projects organized and aligned with your team's evolving requirements. By customizing priority schemes, you enable better focus and clarity for your team, ensuring that everyone is on the same page with what needs attention first. Thanks for joining me today and happy prioritizing in your projects.